Atlas Copco's PTE, the yellow box that's also green. When designing this compressor, we put sustainability high on our list, way up high. And it paid, because the PTE flies high when it comes to respect for the environment. Forget about emissions, because this unit is electrically powered. Its variable speed drive delivers several ecological benefits. It has a low starting current, and its intelligent controls make it easy to optimize the settings for ultimate efficiency. No power is wasted. The PTE's compact build means it can be placed near the point of use, minimizing the pressure loss. And a smaller and lighter compressor is easier to transport. This limits the logistical footprint of the PTE. Oh, and if your unit needs maintenance, that too is done with an eye to the environment. We are electrifying our service van fleet. That's how Atlas Copco Specialty Rental and the PTE help keep our planet green.